Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2017 Mazda CX-5 with a bare roof. The system comprises three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack, set of four, and then you have the WingBar Evo load bars, set of two, available in silver or black, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit. So let me go over some of the key features of this system, starting with the fitting kit. Here we have the door frame brackets. These are rubberized door frame brackets. A set of four are included. And then you have the rubber base pads. So these rubber base pads, as well as the door frame brackets, have numbers that correspond to numbers that are on the instruction sheet, indicating exactly which foot they would be attached to. So here's one of the feet. I'll just go ahead and pull off the cover. And we've already applied one of the stickers indicating that this foot is designated for the front left position. So we can go ahead and begin some of the installation. On the underside here, we have this pivoting base plate that we attach the rubber to. So we just press around the perimeter, and that'll hold that into place. And then this assembly is where the door frame bracket will connect with a simple click, and that's what holds it into place. Now here behind that assembly, you have these silver tabs, and when you press in and out on those silver tabs, you can see this upper assembly moves up and down, and that's what will hold the load bar in place as you're assembling the rack system. Let's go ahead and grab a load bar here and go over some of the features of the WingBar Evo load bar. This is a segment that we cut down so that you can see the cross section. This is a sophisticated box beam extrusion. It's aluminum alloy bar, has a dedicated track to accommodate certain accessories. That track is accessed by flipping your end cap out of the way, and you can slide your carrier specific hardware in between these two pieces of rubber, giving you a very clean integrated attachment method for certain carriers, such as bicycle carriers or ski carriers that connect right into the bar. That gives you the full length of the bar to attach those accessories to, and a nice clean integrated attachment method. That end cap snaps back into place. Now, when it's time to install the foot onto the bar, you'll notice here we have a sliding measurement device. So we would set the measurement according to what's provided in the instruction sheet. And then I'll take off this end cap again, and then we can go ahead and insert the foot onto the bar. To do that, we'll just press those silver tabs as I showed earlier and just slide the foot onto the bar. And then we want to bring the foot in position to that tab with that measurement in place. And now we also have an area here that's still exposed with open track. So we want to go ahead and use this rubber that's provided to fill in that track. And then that will give us a nice, clean aerodynamic, maintain our aerodynamic performance. Okay, and then we can go ahead and reinstall our end cap. Just snap that into place. And then we can go ahead and put our outer cover on. But first, of course, we would be tightening this onto the door frame, and a tool is provided to do that. You just insert that tool into the fastener and tighten. And once you've gotten to the proper tightness, this handle will click, indicating it's been fully tightened. Okay, then we can install our outer cover, and that just snaps into place. You have a plastic plug here that you use to just give a quarter turn. That'll hold that cover into place. Now you also have the option to replace that plastic plug with an actual metal lock cylinder. And that metal lock cylinder will require a key, and then that will give you a very high level of theft deterrent for not only your base roof rack system when you purchase a set of 4 matching lock cylinders, but also you can purchase a set of 6 or a set of 8 or even more matching lock cylinders in order to lock up your other accessories that you may have attached to the roof rack, such as those bicycle or ski carriers, and thereby giving you a very convenient method of attaching and locking your accessories. Okay, so those are all the key features for this base roof rack system for the Mazda CX-5 with a bare roof. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see links in our video description to not only take you to purchasing options for this rack system, but also for additional help with the assembly and installation onto the vehicle. Thanks for watching.